most of my pepper trees, tomato trees and so on. But this year I'm just gonna get pepper tree because we need some pepper sauce during the summer and all through the year. So Uncle gonna set me up here. So what you got here today? Oh, so you normally put it here and you can pull them out and sell them from right here, or this is your personal stuff? Personal stuff. Oh, okay.
You got some here.
This is what else you got here today? Oh, you get pepper sauce that you make yourself fresh. Yes? Oh, there. So what the price you want to tell?
It was $4 a bottle.
The
ghee
these here, right? $4. Fresh hot pepper from Guyana, right?
No, all from here.
All from over here.
Yeah.
Okay. And the ghee in the top there, how much is it?
The small one is $3. The big one is $4.
$4. Good for your jandy and any service,
stuff, yeah.
puja and everything, right?
Honey.
What you got over here?
That's honey, wildflower honey.
Wildflower honey.
Those are $3 a bottle.
And
then you have molasses.
Molasses here, right?
Yes.
Sugar cane.
Yes.
Really. So you guys probably wondering why I still have the pepper plants in the car. So Uncle Sugrim, the guy that I just purchased these plants from, said that it's best you leave it in the car so you can get sunlight and leave it overnight. I'm going to leave this here until I'm ready because I think it's like 40 something, 50 degrees now. When it starts to hit that 50, 60 degree, then I'm going to bring it out, put it in the backyard because I think I'm only going to do pepper this year. But he gave me the cilantro. So I'm gonna also plant that on the back there. All right. A few holes on this water bottle, so I'm gonna put a little water on them so that the water wouldn't come as a rush to disrupt the root and the foundation of the plants. And then I'm gonna put it back in the car. And hopefully this works, all right? Because it's cold, it's not going to be able to sustain the weather outside yet, all right? Mommy, look who we see here, Auntie Chan. Say hi, good morning. Huh? Say hello to everybody and more.
Hi everybody. Already.
Yeah.
Will you drive around and make video?
No, I'm going to Lowe's to get some soil. Miracle Grow. Oh, you see you got some there.
Then I got too many
choices. Oh, okay.
So what I'll do, I'll swing around the market.
Yeah. Oh, okay, for the farm. Okay, this is my youngest Auntie Chan, my mom's sister. All right.
fish.
Throw it under the roof like this. So, come on. There you go. Try some more. Negro. Sobrang ang negro. A little. Sinapal outside of it. Go. Okay, keep pouring. Turn her on. Turn her on. There you go.